Hey guys, I'm going to be doing another unboxing of another camera, an Coolpix S6100. Last time I showed you the unboxing of the S6000, and I'm going to do the S6100 now. I just got it yesterday, the 28th of July, at Best Buy again, and I haven't opened it yet. Well, I opened it, but I haven't really done anything with it yet. But when you first open it, you get your same things as last time. Your small manual now, and it's not wrapped up. It's like half of the width of one of the things. 2 CDs. A user's manual. Oh, that's probably the full manual instead of printing all the paper, and a View NX2 program. Get a bunch of paperwork, and that's just stuff I put in there. Thank you for purchasing a Nikon digital camera, blah blah blah. And then you got your power adapter, your AV cord, your USB cord, camera strap, what is this? Oh, it's probably a stylus because it has touchscreen. 16 megapixel, 7x zoom, 3.0 LCD, HD movie again, and your battery to cover again. And then, what you've all been waiting for, dum dum dum, you got your S6100. And put this somewhere. Move this out of the way. Okay. This is looks almost the same as in the front, and then the back is pretty different. Bigger screen, and there's actually only 3 buttons on the back panel, and like 1 slide and 2 buttons on the top. It feels thicker than the 6000. Let's put the battery in it. This way. Out of memory. Okay then. Alright. Oh yeah, because I tried it in the store. Okay then. Let me just go into... And it has a better sound every time you do something than the last one. Last one was kind of high-pitched, annoying. There we go. And you got your regular screen, looks pretty good. 7x zoom, like Nikon lens. Same concept as the record button, separate. Some cameras you just switch the mode, and I like how it's separate, and I think you can use this as a stylus. I'm not sure, but what else would it be for? And you can select your flash, your timer, macro mode, and exposure compensation. And 16 megapixels, what you do when you touch the screen, whether it's touch to shutter, subject track, or autofocus. And then your continuous pictures or just a single picture. Your white balance, what quality your video is, 720p HD or VGA 480p, your autofocused full-time or single, and your wind reduction, and then you have your setup, all kinds of different stuff in here. Trying to do it with my hand out of the way. Firmware version, welcome screen. You can have your own picture for the welcome screen or Coolpix, but I have none because when I turned it on in the store, it turned on really fast, and I can already use it right then. And I actually got this camera for about $5 at Best Buy because my S6000 had the flash wouldn't work, so I brought it to the Geek Squad because I had a warranty on it, and about 2 weeks later they said that they couldn't do something with the camera or something for copyright or whatever, and then they told me they had to swap out because they didn't make the S6000 anymore. So they swapped it out, and I was only $5 off, so I had to pay $5, and I got this one. And I noticed that last time, or on the 6000, they didn't have a battery icon until it was like pretty much dead, until it was low. And this one has a battery icon now. So I think this camera should be good. I'll be recording my videos with this camera now. It has a nice big lens, unlike the camera I'm using now is a little tiny thing. And this is pretty much it for this unboxing. Thank you for watching. Peace.